Hello, our continuous carbonization begin to feed the materials. It's the res husk. The moisture of this res husk is about 15% moisture. Because it goes through that machine, it's a dryer machine. It can dry this res husk, the moisture from like about 30% and to the lower moisture is about 15%. But our continuous carbonization only needs to about 25% moisture. It can go into the continuous carbonization furnace by through this conveyor belt. The belt can be adjusted the speed to feed the materials go into the furnace continuously. Now let's see how it works. Yes. Okay, the first is the PLC controller. You can control this PLC controller to control the ignition button to control the heat and the temperature of it. So first, we need to open this heating source. We use the LPG to heat this continuous carbonization furnace at the first 2 hours. When the inside the tank temperature go into about 108 degree, then we can put the materials go into the furnace. You can see this part. It's the alarm, and at the first step, the first model is not perfect. So in this newest model, we add this alarm to protect this system, to know how it works. If it's work, it will not show some light. But if not work, the alarm will be a noise. And then the temperature is high. So we continuous carbonization furnace have begun working. How we know it is working? We need to put the letter on this part. On this part, you can test if it have the you can see it. If it have the fire, then you can see the burner fire of this carbonization furnace have begun produced. Then we will stop to let the LPG heater to heat this carbonization furnace. When the furnace begin to working, maybe it will have some pollution like fire dust or some charcoal dust. So we need this purified tank. At this part, you can collect the wood tar. And the wood tar you can sell to the market and you can earn the money. And the last part is the outlet. We will load in the final product, the red husk charcoal. Now you can see the final product. You can see the red husk charcoal. The effect is very perfect. You can use this charcoal to make some charcoal briquette. And the temperature of the charcoal is very low because we use this system. Let's look at the cooling system. Let's look at the cooling system. This cooling system can let the cold water circle between this tank, and to control the final product charcoal temperature is not so high, and then it will not burn when it connects with the air. That's all.